I'm Nate with Tea in the Trees. Get ready for a bird blasting extravaganza. Gonna be hunting dove, crow, and any invasive species that we see. It's gonna be a good time. Stay tuned. What is up, ladybugs and gentle pigs? It is Nate with Tea in the Trees, out on a dove hunt. How y'all doing today? It is September 29th. It is a beautiful day. Autumn is here. We're gonna have a great time. We scouted this spot yesterday. Tons of doves, tons of crow. I'll eat either one. I don't care. Judge me if you'd like. If we see some invasive birds like sparrows and starling, we'll go ahead and blast them too. We're not eating them things. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. We got about 3 boxes of shells. So about 75 rounds, 2 bottles of water. Got a celebratory beer in the cooler at the car if we have a good hunt. Got some good old trapper's jerky and trail bars. We're just gonna move quick and we're gonna have a good time, all right? Right up there's a dove. I flushed 2. I got 30 minutes. The current rules say you can't shoot dove until noon during this part of the season, the early season. So we're just gonna sit here and relax underneath this tree, just watch everything happen, and we'll keep track of where the dove are as they fly in and lay down and roost up and sit on the lines and all that. And we're close to quite a few gritting areas, so they'll be hitting those. Got feed all throughout here, nice roosting areas. Then back there in that direction we have train tracks and a water source, so we're sitting in a nice spot. And let's zoom in just a touch. You can see over there just some thick cover. Gonna come back for small game on October 14th. Should be fun. All right. So you're probably wondering what gear I'm using for this trip. I have an ammo belt on my waist. Holds 25 12 gauge shells. I'm using a Mossberg 500 pump action shotgun. We're using Super X in 7-shot. This is steel. Nice dove load. Switched from lead. With hemochromatosis, I don't really want to take the risks of lead. And a bunch of crow flying in. Got us a backpack. This is a field line backpack. Decent backpack. I don't know if I love it yet. A detachable hip thing. Got plenty of extra shells. I don't know if I like it yet. I may be getting, taking it back. This Mossberg 500, it's pretty beat up, kind of rusty. Got a 28-inch vented and ported barrel. My headphones. These are Impact Sport by Howard Layton. These things help preserve my hearing. We're wearing just run-of-the-mill mossy oak camo. I have some higher end camo at the house, but for dove and crow, during some warmer temperatures, just throwing something and go. Another thing, dove are closely related to pigeons. It's almost interchangeable. I'm down south. A lot of people call doves wood pigeons. over the pond. They hunt pigeon regularly and doves. You know, it just depends. They're both really tasty birds. Have awesome breasts on them. Planning on, if I kill some crow today, we'll be cooking that up too. I know a lot of people frown upon it, but that's okay. You eat what you kill. So if I'm going to shoot some birds, we're going to eat them. All right. All right. We're seeing if we can call in a few crow. Crow are fun as hell to work with. They're insanely intelligent birds. They're they have excellent eyesight. Just like all other birds, they can't smell or anything, but you know they're tough to hunt and a real challenge. And we're overrun with them in Pennsylvania. Seriously, like a couple of murder a crow can completely decimate a farm. So it's not about wiping them out, it's about conservation. Crows deserve to be on this earth just as much as any other animal. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, come in, Dovey. Hoping these doves will land on these power lines. Anyways, yep. So, good time. Coming in, y'all. You're gonna see me though and spook. Never forget, people. Never forget. We've seen a couple of more doves. We've only bagged a couple. Just had a nice size turkey vulture just flying and circle us for a while. It was pretty cool. Seen quite a few crow out of range though. We tried to call them back. They saw me cut in and then cut away and bye-bye crows. So I just happen to be seeing them when I'm not in shadow. If I can be in shadow, they'll definitely fly in when I hit them with a call. Get at least close enough for me to get a shot out on them. So let's keep on walking. We want to be back at the seed fields by about 4 o'clock. It is about 1:20 now. So we're just going to keep on walking down this forestry road. Little snack. I absolutely love Old Trapper's jerky. It is delicious. Good stuff. just like that. So a lot is going on there. Sling right here. My hand right here. Kind of hard to do it slow. Just like that. Now it's useful when you have your gun loaded and you don't expect to see any game, and when you're not likely to see game is when you're probably going to see a rabbit hop across or a bird pop up. And so say you're walking along, spot a bird up here. Real quick, real easy. Also, I like this backpack right here. Reach my shells. Was carrying them on a belt style setup. Well, this way I can quickly pull a shell. Then other side, flip the shotgun, round in. Good to go. So that's a technique I use. Oh, dove. Hey there, buddy. What you doing? Go on. Go the other way. Well, into a nice day. Gonna go get the missus and go out and eat for dinner. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Didn't bag too many birds, but we had us a good time. Till next time, remember, stay safe, stay warm, stay swampy, my friends. And don't forget, who said surviving had to be serious? It was your boy Nate. Goodbye from Tea in the Trees. See you next time.